welcome back. This video is another Dollar Tree haul video. It's sort of a part 2 of my shopping excursion I did just a few days ago. I'm filming this on New Year's Day, and my shopping I did a few days ago, like I said, my store had out tons of Valentine's, Easter, St. Patrick's Day, Mardi Gras, all kinds of holiday stuff out already. And this is what I've got for my Easter craft supplies. So let me set up my camera and I will show you what all I got. Alrighty. Okay, like I said a while ago, I just went on a shopping trip to get craft supplies. Now, if you're looking for like actual basket fillers, candy, toys, that type of thing for the holidays, they do have that stuff out as well. But the only thing that I bought was stuff that I'm going to use in actual crafts. And I got a couple little plushies because they were cute. Now, the number one thing people have been asking me on Facebook is, the Dollar Tree going to be carrying the chocolate scented bunnies. And yes, my store had them. See, the chocolate scented bunnies. So they had these. So I got these two just because the kids liked them. But yeah, they had these. They had all different kinds of plush. I mean, they had an entire wall full of plush. The thing that I saw that I really liked was these little, almost like a terry cloth velour type deal. And they have little carrots embroidered on them. So these were really cute. They had these in a variety of colors. But yes, they do have the chocolate scented bunnies back this year. Okay, I got a pack of these foam shapes. These are bunnies, of course. I believe they also had eggs, but what fun was that? So I got the little bunnies, and they come in a pack of 12. Pretty good size. They're 4 inches tall. And they had all sorts of ribbon. So I got one of each color, pattern, whatever you want to call it. Just so y'all could see what it looks like. They had, this ribbon here is really thin. It's the 1/8 inch wide, and you get 5 yards of that. Comes in blue, pink, and purple. And then they have like the regular 5/8 inch. You get 3 yards of that with the pink and gold eggs, blue with gold bunnies, pink and gold dots, and purple with some gold Happy Easter writing on it. So I got all of those. That was all the prints that they had. I mean, I took that out of a brand new box, so that was all that they had. As far as wired ribbon, how much is on here? I don't know. Okay, this one just had 2 bottoms on it. This one, okay, is 3 yards, and it's 2.5 inches wide. It had this floral print, this sort of a crisscross color, a really sheer, glittery purple mesh look. They also had pink and sort of a greenish teal in that color, and then here is some white with some eggs on it. As far as wired ribbon, that was all the prints that they had. I got one of each. For wreath making, they have mesh tubing. Once again, this is all the colors that they had. Blue, pink, and yellow. So this is all that they had in that. Deco mesh. They have blue, pink, and purple. I got 2 rolls of each. All of this came out of a brand new box. The lady was just opening this stuff as I was in the store. So I didn't see any yellow or green this year as far as the Easter mesh goes. I just saw blue, pink, and purple. Okay, I also got these foam eggs. I've got a good idea for these. They come in a pack of 12. You can see they're kind of glittery, and they each have like a little ribbon hanger on it. Really cute if you want to make like the basic Easter egg tree, but I've got some other ideas for them. So I grabbed 4 packs of those. Let's get this out of the way here. Here's some bigger eggs. Yeah, these are pretty good size. They come in a pack of 4. Of course, they're on the wooden skewer looking things, and they got like a little ribbon bow on them. I got 3 or 4 packs of those. They also had the Easter colors Chanel stems. I still call them pipe cleaners. You know, politically correct, we shall call them Chanel stems. They come in a pack of 50, which isn't a bad deal. These little ceramic painting sets. They also had an egg, but that was boring. I just don't like the egg shape, you know. But they had this little ducky and the bunny, and I did a really popular craft with these last year. I made candy jars and used these as the toppers. I did not use the paint that came with them, of course. I spray painted them. So if you follow my blog, you probably saw my post on those last year, and I'll be doing a video pretty soon showing you what I did with those. I'll probably, God, I can't even speak. Lord, I've had way too much coffee. Might be one of the first Easter crafts I post. So you can keep an eye out for that. And like this little hanging welcome sign. Whoa! See, it says welcome. And then it has all of these little colored eggs. And I'm probably going to cut this sucker apart and use these on a wreath. So they had a couple different styles of these. I think I saw 3 different styles of the little hanging signs, but I just grabbed this one. I'll probably go back and get some more. But yeah, as far as actual craft supplies, that's all that I got for the Easter stuff. I do have a whole bunch of St. Patrick's Day stuff, so I will make that video as soon as I post this one, just so that I can get it all out of the way and I can start opening things and making things for y'all to see. So keep your eyes peeled, and I will have that video up shortly. Please click the subscribe button or check me out on Facebook and on my website. The links to both of those I will put in the description box down below. And keep your eyes peeled for more holiday crafts. Bye-bye.